Every 11 seconds, an older adult in the US is hospitalized due to a fall. And the most unfortunate part? It often starts with something as simple as standing up from a familiar chair. Do you want to become the next number in that frightening statistic? If that's been happening more often, it's not just a sign of aging. It's your body warning you that you need chair exercises to strengthen legs after 60 right now. In this video, I'll share 3 gentle movements backed by the National Institute on Aging that help older adults regain their ability to stand confidently without any equipment or a personal trainer. And don't miss the 3rd exercise. Experts call it the last line of defense to prevent dangerous morning falls in seniors over 60. If you truly care about your leg health after 60, comment 1 below. I'll create more helpful videos just for you. Exercise 1. Seated leg march. This is a simple yet highly effective way to activate your hip flexors and quadriceps, the 2 most important muscle groups for getting up safely and steadily. Practiced regularly, it helps improve mobility from chair, reactivate your standing reflex, and reduce fall risks each morning. Start by sitting upright in a sturdy chair, feet flat on the ground, knees bent at 90 degrees. Lightly place your hands on your thighs or hold the edge of the seat for support. Now, lift one knee about 4 to 6 inches as if you're marching in place. Hold for 2 seconds, lower it gently, and switch sides. Repeat 10 to 15 times per leg. If possible, do 2 to 3 rounds per day. This movement is ideal for all fitness levels, including those with weak knees or who haven't exercised in a while. It falls under seated workouts for seniors and is considered a low-impact leg workout elderly by many physical therapists in the US. Common mistakes: leaning backward or shrugging shoulders while lifting the leg, which reduces core stability and stresses the lower back. Keep your spine straight, eyes forward, and shoulders relaxed. Avoid rushing. Speeding through the motion means you're throwing your leg, not using muscle strength. Slow, controlled movement is the key. If you're looking for a safe start to your morning routine, this is one of the best safe leg exercises for weak knees. It not only improves your ability to rise from a chair, but also helps prevent leg muscle loss, a key factor in balance decline after 60. Many leg strength workouts for seniors begin with this exact motion. And once you've mastered it, you'll be ready for the next movement, a full-body transition exercise that mimics the act of standing up, something we all do every day. After trying this exercise, what part of your body felt most activated? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you notice most. Exercise 2. Sit to stand with arm support. This movement mimics one of your most frequent daily actions, getting up from a chair. If you need to push with your arms or launch yourself forward to stand, that's a sign your legs and glutes are weakening. According to Harvard Health Publishing, your ability to stand from a chair is a simple but powerful indicator of lower body strength and mobility in older adults. It's not just an exercise, it's a clinical predictor of fall risk if done poorly. More importantly, it's a core movement in routines to prevent leg muscle loss after 60. This is another one of the safe leg exercises for weak knees recommended by physical therapists, especially for those with balance issues, knee pain, or who struggle to rise unassisted. How to do it? Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair. Feet flat, knees at 90 degrees. Place your hands on the armrests, if available, or your thighs. Inhale, lean slightly forward, and use your thighs and glutes to rise smoothly. Then lower yourself back down slowly with control. Repeat 8 to 12 times, based on your fitness level. This movement activates exactly the muscles you need to stay independent. That's why it's a staple in leg strength workouts for seniors. Watch out for these mistakes: pushing too hard with your arms, standing up too fast, or dropping back into the chair. These habits reduce leg engagement and constrain your back. Hands are for support, not for doing all the work. And always control your descent to avoid spine impact. This exercise doesn't just help you stand, it improves full body coordination. Among all chair exercises to strengthen legs after 60, it's one of the fastest ways to restore confidence in your ability to move from sitting to standing. you currently need to push off or hold onto something to get out of a chair, share your experience below. I'll reply with tips tailored to your situation. If you felt stronger with this movement, you're ready to keep going. Check out the Leg Strength and Amp Mobility for Seniors playlist in the description. It's filled with routines from beginner to advanced. But before you head there, stay with me for the final move, because it focuses on an area almost everyone over 60 overlooks, even though it's where over 80% of morning falls begin. Exercise 3, heel raises plus toe taps. Most people think balance starts at the hips or knees, but the truth is, over 80% of early morning falls after 60 begin at the ankles, specifically due to lost reflexes in that joint. This final movement doesn't require standing, walking, or equipment. But if done correctly, it retrains your ankle reflexes, stimulates foot nerve response, and works as one of the most effective stability exercises after 60. How to do it? Sit upright in a chair with both feet flat. Step 1. Raise your heels, keeping toes on the ground. Hold for 2 seconds, lower. Step 2. Reverse it, keep heels down. Gently tap your toes like you're tapping to a beat. Do 10 to 15 reps of each movement, then repeat the set twice. This combination builds flexibility in the ankle tendon and improves mobility from chair, especially helpful for those who can't stand for long. It also strengthens foot flexibility, a foundational part of all chair exercises to strengthen legs after 60. Common mistake, tensing the entire leg during movement. That disrupts the natural reflex. Relax your shoulders, breathe evenly, and focus on soft, fluid movement. Avoid lifting too high or moving too fast. This is about control, not power. Among all seated workouts for seniors, this one is deceptively simple but deeply effective, reaching the ankles, calves, and sensory nerves under your feet. If you're seeking a gentle yet lasting way to prevent leg muscle loss, this is one of the most valuable additions to your routine. Together, these 3 movements build a foundation for anyone starting or restarting, a journey with safe leg exercises for weak knees and leg strength workouts for seniors. And if you stick with all 3 daily, you're actively rebuilding your balance, strength, and confidence in every step. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which part of your body felt the biggest difference after trying these? Your heels, knees, or simply the confidence to stand up straighter? Leave a comment below. I'll read every one and offer more guidance tailored to your progress. And if you're ready to continue restoring your leg strength, don't forget to check out the full Leg Strength and Amp Mobility for Seniors playlist linked in the description. Start small today and take stronger, steadier steps into every tomorrow.